Okay, we're just going to change the tip. We got a broken tip on this Weller 8200 soldering gun. So we take a 3/8 inch open end wrench, and we loosen these nuts up to remove the old tip. One, and it should come right out. And you'll notice that the got to unbend these. Or you can just cut them to remove the nuts. You can either just unbend them like that. Sometimes they might need a little coaxing. You gotta get them nice and bent straight to remove these nuts. And see, sometimes they're so worn they won't come off, so we just take our cutters, our end nips, cut them, and take them off that way instead. Well, easier said than done. So we just cut it again so we don't leave any sharp edges, and remove our tip for this one. Be quicker just to do it this way, just to cut them and remove them. That's a lot quicker just by cutting them off instead of trying to bend them. So we take our new one, get our nuts on here. Ooh. 1, 2, and then we got to bend up the edges. Like that. And we want to get them back in like that. Screw them back in. Tighten it up. One, 2. That should be nice and tight. There it is. Now we're going to plug it in. Let's get that out of here. And make sure it heats up real nice. Let's plug this right back in. Alright. There's some soldering paste and some solder. And tin the tip. You hear a buzzing, the light comes on, that's a good sign. It's starting to smoke up. You tin it, clean the excess off. We're all tinned up, ready to go. And that's it. Quick and simple change of a soldering tip. I know that was real interesting, right? But there we go. A little hard to see with all the stuff around here, but all right. Quick, easy change of your old soldering tip to a new one on your Weller. This thing is old. I've had this for like 25 years and it's still working real well. I got a bigger one. I got a 350 watt one, and that still works like a champ. I mean, they made a good product. And that's it. Changing the tip of a Weller 8200. That's it for this one. A quick and simple change. Catch you in the next. Thanks for watching.